Scoopz app review. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. In today's video, I will tell you how to use Scoopz app. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, you will be able to find this app, Scoopz app, in your Play Store or your App Store for free. Simply search for Scoopz app and then you will find it in your Play Store or your App Store. So this might be available based on the reason. If you have it available, simply install it. This app is basically a video sharing platform. So you can tell your stories through videos and also know what's going on around the globe using this application. You can get lifestyle tips in between scoops and many more other tips. So yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.